How to promote anything online, the lazy person's method. If you're exhausted from posting content that nobody sees, sending messages that get ignored, and feeling like promotion is a full-time job with zero pay, stay with me. Here's what most people do. They grind on social media for hours. They chase algorithms. They buy courses that teach more tactics, more hustle, more complexity. And where does it get them? Burned out. Frustrated. Still broke. But what if promotion wasn't about doing more, but doing less of the right thing? The lazy person's method isn't about being lazy. It's about being smart. It's about finding a system that does the heavy lifting for you, so you can actually live your life. Here's what to look for. First, recurring income. One promotion, paid over and over. Not one sale, one commission, done. Second, high-ticket leverage. Why promote something that pays you pennies when you could earn real money from fewer conversations? Third, built-in systems. Funnels, follow-up, training, already done. You plug in. You don't build from scratch. When you find something that checks all three boxes, promotion stops feeling like a grind. It starts feeling like freedom. I found something that does exactly this. And if you're tired of the hamster wheel, I'd love to show you. The link is in the description. No hype. Just a better way. Drop a comment if you've ever felt like promotion was draining your soul. You're not alone, and there is another way.